Were you aware that common everyday actions, even if they don't seem so at first glance, can have an emotional impact on our beloved cats? These creatures, often reserved in their appearance, are incredibly sensitive and can be deeply emotionally affected by different situations. In this video, you will discover 12 behaviors to avoid to ensure your pet feline's emotional well-being. Firstly, number 1 is to avoid any form of physical aggression. It is absolutely essential to avoid any type of physical abuse against our beloved cats, including direct aggression, such as hitting, kicking, or any form of physical aggression. Cats are extremely sensitive beings, and physical abuse can not only cause physical pain but also deep emotional wounds. Secondly, don't neglect your basic needs. Cats have essential needs that need to be met in order for them to remain healthy and happy. This includes providing food, water, and, equally important, attention. Ignoring these fundamental needs can leave your cat feeling neglected and helpless. Third, provide a safe environment. Cats need an environment in which they feel safe and comfortable to maintain their peace of mind. This involves providing a cozy place to rest, an area for their needs, and a refuge where they can hide if they feel threatened. The absence of a safe environment can lead to high levels of stress and anxiety. Room. Avoid making extreme changes to your cat's environment. These animals are creatures that appreciate routines and feel safe in their familiar spaces. Sudden changes in the environment, such as rearranging furniture or changing the type of sand in the litter box, can cause emotional disturbances. 5. Remember that you shouldn't skimp on attention with your cat. He trusts you and depends on you for his well-being, both emotional and physical. By providing adequate attention and care, you strengthen your bond with your cat, making him feel loved and safe in your home. 6. Playing with your cat is essential, as they are naturally active animals that need exercise to maintain their health and happiness. One of the most effective ways to ensure your cat gets exercise is to play with him. However, some owners do not play with their cats enough, and in some cases, not at all. When a cat does not receive adequate stimulation, it can become bored and develop unwanted behaviors, such as scratching furniture or biting inappropriate objects. Before we continue with the video, we would like to ask that, if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe, leave a like on the video, and share your opinions about our videos in the comments. This costs you nothing, but is extremely valuable to us. We really appreciate it. Now, we will continue with number 7, provide a safe environment for rest. Cats need adequate rest to maintain their physical and emotional health. This safe space might include a comfortable bed, a cozy crate, or an elevated, quiet place away from noise and distractions. When a cat doesn't find a quiet place to rest, it can feel insecure and stressed, which can harm its emotional and physical health. Number 8, make dietary changes gradually. If you need to change your cat's diet, it is crucial to do so progressively, introducing the new food slowly and mixing it with the previous food in increasing amounts. Abrupt changes in diet can cause digestive problems, anxiety, and stress. Number 9, provide enough space. It's important to remember that cats need space to explore and stretch out, especially if they live indoors. You can provide elements such as shelves or cat trees to ensure that they feel comfortable and happy at home. Number 10, be aware of communication signals. Ignoring cats' subtle communication cues can affect them emotionally. Cats communicate discreetly, and if we don't pay attention to their signals, they can feel disregarded and frustrated. For example, if a cat stares at you and moves its tail quickly, it may be expressing anxiety or stress. Purring while being caressed indicates that you are enjoying yourself and feeling happy and relaxed. Number 11, avoid sudden changes in routine. Sudden changes to feeding and grooming schedules can be disruptive to cats, who are creatures of habit and routine. Significant changes to these schedules can undermine the sense of security and tranquility that cats need to feel comfortable at home. Number 12. Minimize exposure to loud, persistent noises. Prolonged exposure to constant loud noises can cause stress, anxiety, and fear in your cat, leading to unwanted behaviors such as hiding or trying to escape the house. Additionally, this could damage your cat's hearing in the long run. It is important to understand that cats are sensitive beings that deserve love and care. By following these tips, you can ensure that your cat is always happy and healthy. So, take note of these suggestions and treat your cat with the love and respect it deserves. And speaking of the well-being of our beloved felines, did you know that your cat can consider you as its mother or father? In the video we shared, we discuss 14 secret signs that indicate whether your cat sees you as one of its caregivers. You will certainly find it interesting. Thanks for watching the video.